Happy Sunday, y'all. A snow blizzard of 2021 to add to all the chaos. So, come with me while I travel the storm. Next, crazy. The last blizzard we had was what, maybe 2 years ago? So, I'm over here up north, just walking around. Came to the in-laws' house. And now going to go get my big boy his breakfast. And I needed a walk. So I decided to go for a walk. Isn't this awesome? Nothing but white snow. Should I just climb all this? And have me a little bit of fun too. Play in the snow. Good cardio. Woo-wee. As you can hear, it's windy. You got Central here. I don't know. I hate snow, but at the same time, I don't mind a snowstorm. The climbing is a hassle. It's gonna be rocky. Come on, AT&T, do your job. There's a lot of snow shoveling that needs to be done. Woo, this is adding to the cardio. Don't say I didn't work out today. Climb through the snow. No matter what, I'm always deep breathing, heavy breathing in my videos. Jesus, out of shape. I'm gonna go to Walgreens first, get something to drink. Down Central in Fullerton. This is how it looks right now. Yucky, yucky. Now to run. You. Gonna make it. Walgreens. You too. You gotta do your job. Put somebody to plow this snow. Alright, I'll be back with you guys. Out it we go again. I went to Walgreens. Got the food. Look at that. Good job, AT&T. Look at only a matter of seconds that I was filming. Somebody must have got me on camera videotaping. They cleaned in seconds. Thank you, AT&T. Now I could walk on a clean street. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So how are we spending our Sunday morning? As you can see, I came for a morning walk because your girl was sleeping on a stiff sofa, not feeling too comfortable. Had to move the joints. Your girl's getting old, but we're here. Snowing still. Getting my fat boy his breakfast. Look at that. But thank you again, AT&T, for plowing real fast. Good job. So for my Northwest Siders that live around the area, Nelly Baby is here.
Working all day all night 네가 바란 대로 나는 될 거야 랩스토어 Working for bills 더 늘어나는 팀 네가 싫어하던 게 늘어나 Living more life better life 또 따라오는 사랑은 나 thanks to the God 한기 많은 밭도 넘어지면 다시 일어나서 세상에 충지를 빡 왔던 대로 그냥 하던 대로 스타일 사인 좀 까고 그냥 막 가는 거지 이제 말만 하는 워너비들 깔아놓고 수면으로 하여 위로 올라가지 Red flow 팀 네가 바라던 팀 아메리 내 보고 할리우드 던져리 아무도 못 보는 이유 난 너무 높아 엎지르지 않는 그 위치 리듬 타고 다니던 switch Fuck your team now we 이리게 뭐다 이제 세상이 나를 주목해 watch me Fuck your game I win 거꾸로 올라가 just shoot 반대로 살아난지 while we still shade 눈은 없지 dude
Another level of lies 더 큰 거짓말 위해 삶 I got another level of lies 나는 더 큰 세상을 삶또 다른 목표로 나는 펼쳐 비행 시간 현실이 나름대로 섞어 머릿속에 내 모습은 겹쳐 나가 떨어지는 나고자는 바로 나요 향기가 나는 랩 게임 아로마의 반전 정신이 높은 나요 일요일에 니네 발에 닦아는마 종교의 발을 시신이 높은가요 아니면 나를 그냥 살고 싶은가요 또 아니면 나를 그냥 알고 싶은가요 나도 내 인생 마음껏 나는 그냥 하고 싶은 대로 살아가는가요
리듬 타고 다니던 switch Fuck your team now we 이리게 뭐다 이제 세상이 나를 주목해 watch me Fuck your game I win 거꾸로 올라가 just shoot 반대로 살아난지 while we still shade 눈은 없지 dude Fuck yeah
So we made it home within a 2-hour gap from bus and train. So we're here home trying to get cuddled up and comfortable. I might take it up and then work out later. So thank you for joining us and joining me, Nelly Baby's World, in our snowy day here in Chicago. Alright, guys, don't forget to ring that bell, to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.